Hello viewers, welcome back to our channel Ashiq Medicine Info. In today's video we are going to discuss an important medicine called Fildil 10mg. This medicine contains Tadalafil, which is commonly used for treating erectile dysfunction in men and sometimes for other medical conditions as prescribed by a doctor. In this video, we will explain what Fildil is, uses of this medicine, how it works, correct dosage, possible side effects, important precautions, so make sure to watch this video till the end to get complete information. What is Fildil? Fildil 10mg is a prescription medicine that contains Tadalafil. It belongs to a group of medicines called PDE5 inhibitors. This medicine is mainly used to treat erectile dysfunction, which is a condition where a man has difficulty achieving or maintaining an erection during sexual activity. Fildil helps increase blood flow to the penis, allowing men to achieve a stronger and longer-lasting erection when sexually stimulated. Uses of Fildil. Doctors may prescribe Fildil, Tadalafil, for several conditions, including 1. Erectile dysfunction. The most common use is to treat erectile dysfunction or impotence. 2. Benign prostatic hyperplasia. It may also help men with prostate enlargement, improving urinary symptoms. 3. Pulmonary arterial hypertension. In some cases, Tadalafil is used to treat high blood pressure in the lungs. However, always use this medicine only if prescribed by a doctor. How Fildil works. Fildil works by relaxing the blood vessels in the body. When a man is sexually stimulated, the medicine increases blood flow to the penile area. This improved blood circulation helps produce and maintain an erection. Remember, this medicine does not increase sexual desire. It only helps improve the physical response. Recommended dosage. The usual recommended dose is 10 mg, taken before sexual activity. Take it about 30 to 60 minutes before intercourse. Do not take more than 1 tablet per day. Swallow the tablet with water. It can be taken with or without food. Your doctor may adjust the dose depending on your health condition. Possible side effects. Like all medicines, Fildil may cause some side effects. Common side effects include headache, dizziness, back pain, muscle pain, indigestion, flushing, warmth or redness of the face. Usually these side effects are mild and disappear after some time. However, if you experience serious symptoms like chest pain, severe dizziness, or vision problems, seek medical help immediately. Important precautions. Before taking Fildil, keep these precautions in mind. Do not take this medicine if you are using nitrate medications for heart disease. Avoid alcohol while taking this medicine. Patients with heart problems, liver disease, or kidney disease should consult a doctor first. This medicine is not intended for women or children. Always follow your doctor's advice when using this medication. Important advice. Never take this medicine without a prescription. Using erectile dysfunction medicines without medical advice can lead to serious health problems. Also remember that a healthy lifestyle, regular exercise, and balanced diet can improve overall sexual health. So viewers, this was complete information about Fildil 10mg Tadalafil. If you found this video helpful, please like the video, comment your questions below, share this video with others, and subscribe to our channel Ashiq Medicine Info for more medicine information videos. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.